So Placemaker is a super powerful plugin that allows you to upgrade your aerial imagery. And then you can also bring in your, upgraded terrain and all that. Let's take a lap through Placemaker and see, what we can get out of this thing. You just click on this button here and that's going to open the Placemaker dialog. Let's import the terrain first and just get something to go. So 1 credit, that's fine. Let's import the terrain and see what that brings in. All right. So that brought in our terrain. I guess let's turn off our 2D terrain and just work with our Placemaker imagery now. All right, so that looks okay. Let's select that and then we'll go over to our aerial imagery under Nearmap. I'm gonna hit import imagery and then, okay, so this wants 30 credits. Let's confirm. And then hands off, yeah. Look at the difference between that. So like, this is kind of the first. I'm just going to hide that and then turn off our view hidden objects. So like you can see how much better that is. I can really see now like how to place this house.